Hi my country pipo, how una dey? Na newspaper review tori I bring una from Naija and all over the world. My name na Omogbemisola. The Federal High Court wey sidon for Osogbo, Osun State don grant bail to Olalekan Oyeyekin wey get appointment from Governor Ademola Adeleke wey don dey stand trial on top kilikili matter and terrorism. Na Justice Emmanuel Ayola grant am bail with 50 million naira and two surety with same amount. According to wetin judge yarn, one of the surety must be traditional ruler wey go submit im instrument of appointment to court registrar. The judge also yarn say the second surety must be member of National Assembly with level 17 civil servant wey go also submit im letter of appointment to court registrar. Make the defendant, wey everybody know as Emir, deposit 5 million naira with im national passport, then write undertaking say im go dey behave well well, especially as investigation still dey go on. Na 11 count charge dem take sue Olalekan wey get something to do with conspiracy, terrorism, unlawful killing among others. Before judge pass im judgement, the court full with heavy security inside and outside the court to avoid kasala wey burst for the last court sitting wey happen on March 19, where dem attack some journalists wey come cover the proceeding. Dis full tori dey inside Vanguard newspaper. Tears flow yesterday when dem bury the Nollywood makeup artist Abigail Edith Frederick wey follow other 5 pipo kpai inside Annam River when their boat capsize on Wednesday when dem dey come back from where dem go shoot film. One of the artists wey follow dem kpai na Junior Pope. Na her family house for Eket local government area dem bury am. Na the state government Umueno wey don first of all visit dem for their family yard last weekend command make dem go comot im body from the riverside where dem bury am before, go give am befitting burial inside the state. Na Church of Christ Ikot Udoma do the funeral service with big pipo wey at ten d the service. Among dem na Eket Transition Committee Chairman Akanyere Tommy, Commissioner for Tourism Charles Udo, SA for Entertainment Moses Esco, Godfather Uko, Nollywood members, friends and sympathizers. Governor Eno, when he visit the family yard, dey announce automatic employment to Abigail elder sister, even promise say im go renovate their family house. Dis further tori dey inside Punch newspaper. Price wey dem dey sell commodities don move comot for small money wey be naira currency as inflation dey take market eye see shege. One sachet of pure water wey be 5 naira and 20 naira wey danfo driver dey take settle police officer for road no dey reign again. Report show say more than half of naira currency wey be legal tender no fit buy anything again. On top all dis, CBN still recognize all dis denomination like 50 kobo, 1 naira and 2 naira as coins. Then 5 naira, 10 naira, 20 naira and 50 naira wey dem print with polymer materials. Na 30 naira dem dey sell one sachet of pure water now. Nobody gree tie 10 naira sugar again when sweet and tom-tom don become 2 for 50 naira. To make matters worse, na 50 naira or 100 naira dem dey collect for the cheapest commodity wey dey market, wey come make lower denominations useless. In the last 6 months, naira spoil sotey e reach 1,900 naira per dollar until CBN come put mouth wey come make naira dey trade for 1,050 naira to $1. That means 1,000 naira wey be highest denomination for Nigeria is less than one single dollar. Anybody wey get $1,000 na millionaire for current exchange rate, and anybody wey get $1 get more than 1,000 naira. On top all dis, price of commodities still dey go higher. No sign say dem wan come down, and Nigerian government still dey print dis small denomination plenty. For 2016, we hear say CBN temporarily stop to dey print 5 naira, 10 naira, 20 naira and 50 naira sake of say to produce one note dey cost dem 1,000 naira. Now, experts don come out to tell CBN make dem no produce dis small small money again. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post newspaper. National Examination Council (NECO) don reschedule dia 2024 National Common Entrance Examination into Federal Unity College and di Entrance Examination into Federal Government Academy (Suleja). Na inside di statement wey Acting Director of Information Azeez Sani release, dem tok am say dem shift di exam sake of say plenty students neva register. Dem say di exam wey suppose hold for April 20, 2024 go come hold for June 1, 2024. Sani say di exam for gifted and talented children wey wan enta Federal Government Academy (Suleja) wey suppose hold for May 4, 2024 go come hold for May 25, 2024. NECO come advise all parents, students, schools and everybody wey dis mata concern to put am for mind di new date for di exam. Dem say registration go continue to di new date wey dem announce. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Trust newspaper. If una gbadun dis tori, make una help me subscribe, like, share and comment so dat we go dey notify una as other tori dey shele.